I'm Paul Wong, and I'm proud to be a director on the 2025 Board of Directors. It's been about 10 years since I joined Bay East, and I'm excited to continue serving our members. Did you know I also speak Cantonese, which helps me connect with even more of our members. One of my favorite saying is, if you do what others won't do today, you'll have what others won't have tomorrow. And when I'm not working, I'm passionate about supporting our beloved Golden State Warriors. Out of all our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is fostering accessibility, inclusion, and representation. Because I feel that inclusion is a part of my core values. I'm so excited about the work we'll do together this year, and thank you for letting me share a bit about myself.